Hello children, I am Prasanna. Welcome to my channel Mathematics by Prasanna Lakshmi. So in this video today we are discussing 5.1 of 8th class 5th unit comparing quantities using proportion. So in my last video I have explained 1 to 10 sums. Now coming to in this video we are going to start the 11th sum. So very interesting sum children. Here coming to the question. Madhuri went to a supermarket. The price changes are as follows. The price of rice reduced by 5%. Reduced means what? Decreased by 5%, and jam and fruits reduced by 8%, and the oil and dal is increased by 10%. Help Madhuri to find the changed price in the given table. Here in the table they gave the items and the original price. We have to find the changed price. Means we will see the question whether it is decreased or increased. Based upon that we are going to find here. So coming to first children, rice. So rice is given rupees 30. Okay, and coming here price of rice reduced by 5%. So price decreased, but we need to find 5% of 30 is how much first. So 5 by 100 into 30. So when you cancel the 0, 5 ones are 5 2s are, so 3 by 2, that is nothing but 1.5. Means 1 rupee 50 paise is reduced the cost of rice. So what is the changed price now? Changed price is nothing but rupees 30 minus rupees 1.5. That gives you rupees 28.5. That is 28 rupees 50 paise. Now the change of price in rice is nothing but rupees 28 and 50 paise. Coming to next one we will go children, that is given jam. So what is the price of jam given here? Rupees 100. And the jam and the fruits reduced by 8%. So first we need to find 8% of 100 is how much? That is 8 by 100 into 100. 100 gets cancelled, so 8 rupees is the reduced price, right? Now we'll find the changed price. How to find changed price? Previous price was 100, rupees 100 minus rupees 8, so you will get 92. Now for how much you are getting jam? Rupees 92. And next one is apples. What is the condition for apples here? See, fruits, jam and fruits. Apple comes under fruits. So here the cost of apple is given as rupees 280. Now reduced by 8%. So first we will find out 8% of 280. So 8 by 100 into 280. 0 gets cancelled and 2 4s are 2 5s are. Okay, 4 into 28 you do. 4 8s are 32. 3 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, 112 by 5. 112 by 5 means how much children? 5 2s are 10, 2s are 10.4. So 22 rupees 40 paise is reduced. Now we will find the changed price. Changed price is nothing but rupees 280 minus 22.4. That is 280.0 and 22.4. So here 6 and here 9, 7, 9 minus 2, 7, 5, 2. So you will get 250 rupees, 257.6, that is 60 rupees, 257 rupees 60 paise is the changed price. Okay, coming to fourth one children, we need to find oil. What is the cost of oil given here? Rupees 120. What is the condition for oil? Oil and dal is increased by 10%. So here 10% of 120 we will find out first. 10 by 100 into 120. 0 gets cancelled. So 12 rupees. 10% of 120 is 12 rupees. Now what is the changed price? Here the price is not decreased children. It is increased. So here 120 plus 12 we should find. So 120 plus 12 is nothing but 132. So what is the change of price of oil here? Rupees 132. Next, finally, we need to find the dal. What is the cost of dal here? Rupees 80. So 10% increase. So 10% of 80, that is 10 by 100 into 80. 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. So rupees 80 is increased. Now we need to find here changed price. So what is the previous value of dal is 80. 80 plus 8. How much 80 plus 8 gives you? 88. So what is the changed price of dal here? Rupees 88. So finally we got the changed price by the given condition. Coming to 12th question, children. There are 2075 members enrolled in the club during last year. So last year the number of members are 2075. So this year enrollment is decreased by 4%. So question is find the decrease in enrollment, means how many members decreased, then how many members are enrolled during this year. Right children? Here the number of persons enrolled in the last year is how much? Enrolled in last year 2075. So first one, how much percentage is decreased? 4%. Here we need to find find the decrease in enrollment. That is, how to find decrease in enrollment? %4 of 2075 we should find. Okay, 4% is nothing but 4 by 100, means to remove percentage symbol, of is nothing but into 2075. Okay children, so when I cancel with 4 table, 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 5s are, and I can cancel both with 5 table, 5 fours are 20, 5 ones are, 5s are, here 5 5s are, again cancel, 5 8s are, 3s are. So here you got decrease in enrollment is how many? 83 members. Okay. Now coming to second one, how many members are enrolled this year? So last year 2075 and this year 4% decreased, means from total when you minus 83 we will get the number of members enrolled during this year. So here number of members enrolled here during this year is nothing but 2075 minus how many decreased children here? How many members decreased? 83. So when you subtract 83, 2075 minus 83, you will get 1992. So here in this year number of members enrolled are 1992. Coming to 13th question children. A farmer obtained a yielding of 1720 bags of cotton last year. This year she expects her crop to be 20% more. So how many bags of cotton does she expect this year? So last year it was 1720 bags of cotton, right? But this year she is expecting 20% more children. Means first you need to find the 20% means how many bags. Okay. So here how to write the step? The bags of cotton, number of bags of cotton in last year is nothing but 1720. Now here she expects how much? 20% more, means we need to find here 20% of 1220, that is 20 by 100 into 1720. So when you do cancellation children, here 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled. So you got here 2 into 172. So 2 into 172 is how much? 344. Means she is expecting 344 bags more than last year. So here her expectation of total bags this year is nothing but 1720 plus 344 bags. So when you add, you will get 2064 bags. So this year she is expecting 2064 bags of cotton. Coming to 14th question, that is last question in this exercise, children. Points P and Q are both in the line segment AB on the same side of its midpoint. So P divides AB in the ratio 2:3 and Q divides AB in the ratio 3:4. If PQ is equal to 2, then find the length of a line segment AB. Okay, so little bit confusion, children, but no need to worry here. Here P and Q are both on the same line segment AB. Okay, next, given that C is the midpoint, here we will draw figure on the midpoint. So they did not give any midpoint here. We will take C as a midpoint. Here let C is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint means, in the middle, it divides the AB into two equal parts. Okay. Now here P divides, given P divides AB in the ratio 2:3, and whereas Q divides AB in the ratio 3:4. Now we will draw the figure, children. Here suppose A, B, and this is a midpoint C, for example, and he is given that P divides, here P and Q are on the line segment. So here you will write P and Q. Okay, P and Q. Now P divides AB in the ratio 2:3 means it is 2 parts and it is 3 parts. It is dividing 2:3. Whereas Q divides in the ratio 3:4 means from here to here it is 3 parts. From here to here it is 4 parts. Okay. Now coming to the question now. What is given for you? PQ equal to 2. Actually PQ how to find, children? Here I want only from here to here. How to find PQ? You should do QB minus PB. When you subtract this from whole, you will get, right? Then what is QB here? QB is nothing but 4. If you see from here to here, 4. What is PB? It is 3. So that is nothing but 1. So here 1 part you got. That is PQ is given how much? 2. Therefore you got here 1 part is nothing but 2. 1 part is nothing but 2. Now we need to find AB with respect to Q and with respect to P. Now first we will find the value of AB. AB is equal to what here? 2 plus 3. Here with respect to P. So how much, children, it is? 5. Yes or no? 2 plus 3. Now we need to find AB with respect to Q. That is 3 plus 4. 7. So here you got AB with respect to P is 5 and AB with respect to Q is 7. Here find out the LCM of 5 and 7. So these two are co-prime numbers. So LCM is nothing but the product of these two numbers, that is 35 parts. So LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So you got 35 parts. Therefore, length of AB is nothing but 35 parts. Here you know what is the one part value here? It is, we got here one part as 2, right? 2 centimeters. That is 35 parts means here you will write 35 into 2. Since one part value is 2 centimeters. So 35 2s are 70 centimeters. So length of AB finally you got as 70 centimeters. So with this sum we completed this 5.1 exercise, children.